comfortable in English?
Yes.
Yes. Okay? Listen, guys, I'm going to tell you the rules and regulations of the boat and where is this boat going for, what are the activities included in your trip. Okay? We have booked this package to your agent. So what he has told you, that I don't know. So once again, before we are going, we are clearing it. Okay? Listen, this is package of Grand Island Scuba plus water sports. Okay? We have 5 activities, scuba diving and 1 is 5 activities, water sports and 1 is scuba diving. Total 6 activities you will get. What are the 5 activities? Parasailing ride, jet ski ride, banana ride, bumper ride, speedboat ride. 6th one is scuba diving for 20 minutes. It's up to you. If you are capable to stay 20 minutes, you can stay. We provided 20 minutes time, but now as a customer, first time in diving, no one can stay more than 5-6 minutes. Okay? So if you are capable, you can stay. These are the activities you are going to get. You get light and limited breakfast. Okay? You get a samosa, banana and soft drink. Okay? And you get a buffet lunch, veg and non-veg. Okay? So you don't think we had a light snacks, so we will have a heavy lunch. No. I'll tell you rules and regulations. Right? You should not have, before scuba diving 3 hours, you should not drink alcohol, you should not smoke, you should not do heavy journey, but you should not have heavy food also, before and after. So try to eat less, okay? Or else you'll get vomiting, seasickness. One thing is compulsory, not complimentary, okay? Each and every person will be charged 250 rupees additionally for the diving suit, okay? We provide a diving suit, professional diving suit, which is not included in our package. This has been informed to your agent to inform all the tourists. So if those not informed you can talk to your agent. Why we are charging 250? What is red suit? I'll explain you. Is everyone's first time diving? Yes, first time diving, na? Okay. Listen, guys. The scuba diving kit will come around 20 to 22 kg. The cylinder and the kit. Plus, we give you a 4 to 5 kg weight belt to sink down. It is a scuba instrument. You should use only. So as soon as you get down in the water, you wearing clothes, it absorbs water. You'll feel the pressure of the weight on your body as soon as you get down in the water. So you cannot stay for a long time. If you use a neoprene fabric suit, it gives you 0 weight underwater and you won't get any rashes over here. First. Second, when you get down in the water level will be more cold. So the neoprene fabric suit maintains your body warm. Second. Third, when you get down in the water, there are normally insects like jellyfish, mosquito, ants. These are normal insects we get in the upper area. In down, same insect like jellyfish, coral snakes, spingrels. These are the normal fishes which will be down. If it touches, what happens? Same like mosquito. It will itch, but it will burn also a little bit. So if you use a neoprene fabric suit, the fishes won't come near you because it glows to their eyes. Okay, guys. For this reason, we give you the costume of 250 rupees, which is compulsory for all the divers, not complimentary. Okay, and you will get a